TEL message. So TEL app provides you with easy access to important functionality, instant alerts for any notification from TEL on your Intel message contacts, current unread messages count indicator. Just press to open Intel message, visibility to your current balance, and link to the main PayTelecom site for adding funds. So send photos to inmates in eligible facilities. So this is an app for inmate communication in the United States, where you can just schedule and join video visits, chat with these from anywhere, send photos, just few taps. So yeah, you can just open it up and then just double click to install it. And yeah, this is just how it looks like. And then you can just open it up, and then yeah, you can just go and create an account. However, this app is a bit glitchy, so there are some other alternatives if you're looking. So there can be something like ICS Mobile. This is one of the most popular ones. And yeah, there are also like these apps like Getting Out, Text Behind, and that's what it is.